Tennessee, well, say cheese, because they are joining me today to share details about their unique photo booth experience. And here to share all of that is Billy from Say Cheese Photo Fun. I love what you guys do. It's so cool and so needed at events.
Oh yeah, and I have fun at any event that I go to. It's like I've had so many weddings that I've attended in my life that I normally have only had like 4 in my past.
I love it, yeah.
So, you know, we're kind of a nice, you know, high-tech photo booth company now, and we keep up with all the trends. And, you know, we're introducing in like 2024, we're actually going with the telephone, audio, and it's so hard to remember that one. Telephone, audio.
Right. It's like the, you were telling me, it's almost like the London booths that you see, like the old phone booths.
Yes.
And it's going to be all white, because obviously for a wedding, which is so cool. And is it the bride and groom are going to be able to record something?
They record their, you know, it's kind of like an audio recording that they, when the person goes in, they shut the door and they, you know, actually can wish, you know, they'll hear the bride and groom, you know, and then they give their message and all that. And then the way I was thinking earlier also is like, well, within 25 years when they're on their 25th anniversary, they can return all those memories and say, oh my gosh, all of our people, you know, they sent all this love and now we're still together.
We were talking before the show, we had friends that had the photo booths, and I totally wish that we could like go back in time and do that at ours, because pictures aren't the things that you really can look back on in the memories. And not to bring this to this like a sad point or anything, but you know, when you do lose those people in your life and you go back to a really special event in your life and you're able to have those pictures and memories, those are worth more than gold. And so it's so special. And you guys actually have one that I saw on your website that was really cool. That's like a mirror that you can look into.
Yes, that's what all our technology is. The high-tech ones is like all of them are mirror. We do have an iPad-based one, but the magic mirror is what we call it. We have an infinity mirror, and they're so sleek, and you know that's our most popular ones. And then also, the other trending is actually the 360, you know, videos. So it's like
so cool.
We're staying with the modern trends and keeping up with everybody. You know, then you got your animations for your overlays or the border that goes around, you know, your photo. That is a lifetime. And we try to stay up with the props and the trends. And if you have a, you know, theme, you know, we try to stay up with it. You know, it's like right now, you know, your holiday party, we have a naughty or nice wheel that you spin.
I love
and we have the hat.
That's
Santa
so
hat
cute.
that says naughty or nice, and you actually get to decide whether which one you're going to wear, because you get to spin the wheel.
That is
and you have fun, and those are the memories more memories that you create during the event also.
Yeah, hands down. And like everyone loves a good social media picture from an event that's very fun, festive, and it's a memory from that event. It's just a great time. It's definitely a great decision to be able to have one of those at an event, at a wedding, anything like that, where you can bring that to people. But real quick, where can people find you? Because I know you guys are going to book up like exceptionally fast
we're starting
this year.
really, you know, next year we're really going well, and then plus with this, you know, the telephone book audio one that we're coming up with.
That's so cool.
And it's going to be really popular. Actually, you can find us at www.saycheesephotofun.com, or you can actually give us a call at 865-312-1060.
All right. Well, thanks for making us smile today, and thanks for coming in and joining us.
It's been a great time to be back again.
Absolutely. Well, we can't wait until 2024. Got to have you back.
I'm sure I'll be here quite a few.
Yes, sir. All right. Well, you guys stick around with us, because when we come back,